When you pull into the service drive at Doggett Ford North Houston, the difference is immediate. Friendly faces, quick check-in, and a team ready to take care of you from the moment you arrive. Our advisors get you checked in, answer your questions, and make sure everything is clearly explained before your vehicle heads over to the shop. Then one of our experienced factory-trained technicians performs an initial walk-around and inspection right away, checking tires, fluids, brakes, and more, so nothing gets overlooked. From routine maintenance to complex repairs, we use genuine Ford parts, advanced diagnostic equipment, and expert craftsmanship to keep your Ford running like new. Relax in our comfortable lounge and stay productive while we handle the hard work. Fast turnarounds, honest communication, elite level care. That's why drivers across Texas choose Doggett Ford North Houston's Service Center. Book your appointment today and experience a Texas-sized service done right.